5 everyday things you're doing wrong. Number 1. Brushing your teeth right after breakfast. Acidic foods like fruit or coffee soften your enamel, and brushing too soon scrapes it off. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. Number 2. Sleeping with headphones. It looks relaxing, but it can cause ear infections, wax buildup, and even hearing loss. Number 3. Charging your phone overnight. Your battery doesn't like it. Constant charging equals heat, which equals faster wear. Use a smart plug or unplug your phone once it's full. Number 4. Stretching as soon as you wake up. Your muscles are cold and stiff. You could strain something. Warm up gently first, with light moves like walking in place or arm circles. Number 5. Using deodorant after sweating. Wrong timing. Antiperspirants won't work well if your skin's wet. They need dry skin. The best time to apply? At night before bed. These little habits can mess with your health more than you think, but now you know better. Follow the News Chronicle TV for more smart tips like this. Like, share, and fix your everyday life, one video at a time.